So, hey guys, what is up? We're here. It's me, Ben, and I'm making a game. This is not it, but I just wanted to mess around. If you guys want to see this as a series, let me know. Ben messing around with Scratch. This game's still a work in progress. If you do want to play it, I guess I'll put the link in the description when I finish it. It's called Billy Eats Your Mouse. Uh, Billy's Eat Your Mouse, sorry. Basically, you spam R until you're ready because I am still working on it. Then when you're ready, press space. And then the game starts. So essentially, there is a Billy who chases you, and if Billy touches you, your timer goes back to 0. So, kind of simple, right? Billy's really slow, so it's really easy to avoid Billy. Once 15 seconds goes around, we are then meted by Green Billy. Green Billy is Billy. Green Billy is slightly faster. Oh! There's Dapper Billy. So these three are all the same, except green is faster than black and purple is faster than green. By faster, it means when they move, I told them to stop when they move, right? So they take a bit and then they continue moving. The wait time is shorter, the better you go. So then once you hit around, I believe it's 30 seconds, sorry, Red Billy comes. He has a big L on his forehead. And yeah, as you can see, his mechanic is entirely different. He more of teleports. It's really weird, but he's much more similar to them than our next contestant at 50 seconds, which is Blue Billy. Now, Blue Billy, it's like this. He looks pretty cool, and he just runs at you. As you can see, he's much faster than the other Bill. Oh, there's Fat Billy. So as you can see, if you don't press R, the Billies will stay there. But, if you press R, then your time resets. But if you don't, your time also resets if you touch it. So if you want an extra challenge, don't reset your timer. Because as you can see here, the Billies are chasing me. Now, Fat Billy's interesting. He has the same wait time, almost the same wait time as Blue Billy. But he moves much slower. So he's kind of easy to avoid. He's just very large. Touched him. And that's basically the gist of the game. Of course, there's other characters, but it's kind of difficult, so it would take you quite a bit. Let's see if we can actually do it, though. There is a cheat where, as you can see, I am cheating. Just because I want to show you in the video. If you guys do cheat, you are butts. Like, actual butts. But, yeah, so we're just going to let the Billies go here and enter time-lapse. Alright, so as you can see here, guys, we have got this Billy now. He's interesting because he has got very, very long arms here. As you can see, he can reach out really far, which means you have to put your mouse as far if you're cheating, of course. If you're not, 100 seconds is when we get to the new area. And as you guys know, still working on the game, so there's nothing really much to see here. So yeah, that was just the first stage. I guess I'll keep working on the game. Let me just show you guys the code really quick. So, here we have the code for Billy. As you can see, there's a lot to unpack here. Just kidding, there's absolutely almost nothing. Okay, so when any key pressed, we'll call this space, just because I like space. Then, forever, Billy will always be looking at us. He will wait a second, and then he'll start coming towards us. That's basically it. Then, just to start it off, so these two start at the same time, if it senses that he's touching your mouse, resets the timer. Done. And then when it switches to backdrop 2, aka level 2, Billy disappears. Okay. This is the same for green Billy. Now here we have to have him hid. When R is pressed, he's hid, but he appears when the timer hits 15. Yeah, see where this is going? It then sets his X here because when it's not, he's all the way at 10,000. Now if you don't understand what X means, think about it as a graph, right? The normal plane graph. I forgot Cartesian something graph. There is XYZ coordinates. Think about the X coordinate. It's right to left, horizontal. This is 10,000 on the horizontal. This, negative 240, is about the corner, which is why the people spawn in the corner. This is Fancy Billy. As you can see, the wait time is slightly less than 1 second. He moves slightly more steps. Red Billy, again, less, more. On the timer there, and then look at this. See, this is why it makes it look like Blue Billy's running. Because, as he doesn't move as many steps, he has a much less delay time. We then move to Thick Billy. There we go. And then Long-Armed Billy. And I fixed level 2, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Yeah. Who's ready for time-lapse time? Here we are! 2. So we actually, we have our people here screaming, begin. Now, while I did say I got it to work, I don't think I did. I do have some errors. It's hard to work with it. But, I'm hoping in part 2 I'll have this fixed. Because yeah, that would be really cool. So if you guys do want to see a part 2, let me know. Smash like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!